Hi, it's Golden Joe Fries coming to you guys today with an unboxing video. So I received some bomb products from a company by the name of Influenster. I have spoken about them in past videos, and this is like my 8th box I've received from them, and I'm just so thankful that they've chosen me yet again. And with that being said, let's get into it. So in the box, they sent me 4 new products from their line that they just dropped. So the first product I'm gonna talk about is their foundation. So I'm just gonna read from the description card. So this is the Dream Urban Cover Lightweight Foundation. It's supposed to be a lightweight formula, and it's supposed to blend for flawless coverage. It does have broad spectrum SPF 50 to protect your skin against the harmful rays from the sun, and it also has some antioxidants to protect the skin from environmental aggressors. So I really think that's really dope that they built that into a foundation to protect your skin. Not only does it give you coverage, but it protects the skin. And I did wear this in my last video, and the pros and cons, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons. The pros are that it's very lightweight for you females that like the natural look. I like the natural look. If you don't like that cakey makeup, that's what I did like about it, that it's very natural, not heavy. It's not cakey like some foundations may be too heavy, and plus in this heat it is too hot to be wearing a full beat. It's just like foundation, concealer and all that. Sometimes when you just want a natural beat, just some foundation and powder and just want to go, yeah, this is it. This would be a great foundation for that, for like an everyday makeup look. However, this is really greasy. I'm just gonna keep it all the way 100. In my last video, I was looking really shiny, and I was meaning to actually upload a video about this earlier, like last week, when I had already uploaded those other videos. I recorded a video about this, but I just was not feeling how my makeup was looking, so I just deleted it. So yeah, I'm recording it again and talking about it again. It's greasy, and it's weird because I have dry skin, and I usually gear towards foundations on the dewy side, and I wouldn't recommend this to people with oily skin. If I have dry skin and it made me look like greasy like that, then it would be a total mess on people with oily skin, because throughout the day when your skin does get shiny and produce oil, it's just gonna be a whole mess. You're gonna be looking like you just been through the struggle, like you've been in some Amazon jungles, just too shiny, too greasy. And I think it's because of the SPF in it, because sunscreen can be greasy. And another thing is, I noticed that it was separating in my last video, like it was kind of blotchy and patchy. So yeah, but like I want to give it another chance. I think I would wear this in the winter time though, like fall and winter, but not in the summer, because no. For the summer, this just isn't it. But for like an everyday look for like school or work, yeah, I would suggest trying it. This does come in 16 shades. I got it in the shade 348 Cafe. And I do hope that they drop more shades. I don't know why when it comes to companies, whenever they launch a new foundation, they just give us dark skins the short end of the stick. Like we want to try some foundations too. Like they always make 10 shades for the more lighter complected people, and then 4 shades for the darker skin sisters. Like I really hope that they drop more. So far they've only came out with 16, so yeah, I hope that they do come out with more. And that's all I have to say about the foundation. So product number 2 is their eyebrow pencil. So this is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil. It's a micro defining pencil, and I love these eyebrow pencils that are this thin. It reminds me of the L'Oreal micro pencil. It's like just like this, but I forgot the name of it. It's called the Brow Stylist. There we go. The Brow Stylist eyebrow pencil. And with these type of pencils, you can't go wrong with them. And it has a spoolie at the end, so you don't need like an eyebrow brush. You just, you know, do your thing, draw in your eyebrows. And I used this today. I have no complaints. So far, so good. So product number 3 is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio liquid eyeliner, and I don't really have any complaints about this. It's just an eyeliner, and it's supposed to be smudge resistant and what else? Sweat proof. But I did use this in my last video, and it's really easy to use to make like a wing liner because the tip is so thin. And I love eyeliners with a thin tip, but the brush is really thin, really fine, so you can really get in there and just make a wing easily. So it's supposed to be like sweat and smudge resistant, so I just made a swatch on the back of my hand and we're gonna rub it to see. See? Lies. All lies.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Lies, I tell you. I mean, I didn't really have that much expectations, like high expectations for a drugstore eyeliner. So last but not least, this is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. And this is supposed to make your makeup last for 16 hours. And it's supposed to give your makeup a matte finish. So I feel like to be able to see the results, you have to really use this with a matte foundation, and I don't like matte foundations like I said before, because with this one in combination with that one, it did not go well together, and it actually made it even shinier. I don't know, I think this foundation didn't absorb this well, so I wouldn't use this together. I do like their Master Fix setting spray though, and this one is more of like a mist. I noticed when I sprayed it. I tried this today, I sprayed it on. It has me actually looking pretty natural. It doesn't look too matte, to be honest. Not too many complaints with this one. But yeah, with that being said, that's all I have to say about these products. Really bomb products, and Maybelline is really doing their thing. I love their products. And with that being said, please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Bye.